Pantene Essence Pro Vitamin B5 is great on wet and dry hair. Today my hair is dry, needs a little life. I'm gonna use it to style on my dry hair. It comes in this beautiful golden bottle with great instructions. It has a very nice guide right in the box to show you exactly how to use it. And it is not heavy, it is not weighed down, so you can use it all over. And it's recommended to not ignore the roots. It smells so, so good. Oh my goodness, it has this terrific smell that is just very, very nice. Kind of a beachy coconut. So we're gonna get it all over my hair, my dry hair, and style. I'm so pleased with the results. It feels very healthy. Pantene's Pro Vitamin Essence has helped give that restorative look to my hair. It is infused with vitamin B5, which restores your hair at the protein level, repairing the bonds. Hair is damaged every day, and this helps repair split ends and anti-frizz from the root to the tip, and it feels and looks so healthy after just one use. I used it from wet to dry today, and I love the way it was sprayed generously and leave it in, and my hair looks terrific. I feel very healthy and good about using Pantene Pro Vitamin Essence on my hair as part of my daily routine.